money on me.
It's a classic. Shut up.
It's a classic.
You just
It's a classic.
Who said that anyway?
My dad.
Oh, that was Wesley. Ian or someone.
It's okay, I can help. I'm fine.
That was pretty funny.
I love that. I think I'm trying to come down my street every night.
Beware of the pedo
That's
ice
so
cream.
I didn't even film that.
It's moving at such a creepy pace.
I wish the
You
camera
guys should beware of the pedo ice cream, man.
I wish the camera would pick up that music.
You don't actually see this every day, and it's moving really, really slowly, and it's got the most annoying ice cream truck song I think I've ever heard in my entire life.
Playing.
It's the
Song
water
is called
station.
Release.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
playing for
This
release.
sucks.
And what?
It's terrible.
The water
It's the water ice station.
No.
That's what I was saying.
It's
Freaks it, man.
You guys like, oh my
It
goodness. And now
looks
I'm
like
from there.
It's the creepiest ice cream truck I've ever seen. I want it to come down my street every night. Goodbye, ice cream truck.
Oh, it's all your fault.
He probably drives that slow because I'm pretty sure they get paid by the hour.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's coming to get me.
He's turning away. That's why he's coming at you.
He knows I'm gonna come after him.
Because next thing you know, he'll go 100 miles per
I
hour.
love how they're great.
everywhere and hitting you, and
is
you're like,
blue.
sorry.
Because next thing you know, he's gonna
Still
squeal.
Amazing.
Because next thing you know, he's gonna whip around, tires squealing, come after you at 100 miles per hour. Tires squealing, and he's gonna come after you.
I just got this really scary image of like an ice cream truck and chugging it.
It's got.
This one's darker blue, but it's still blue.
Never made a video.
I love Gatorade,
Your eyes are
and
so
I'm very
pretty.
thirsty. And I usually get those like big ones.
Please let me take a picture
They're
of
like the
them.
ones that are so shaped like this, but the bigger ones, and I like drink one of them.
No, it'll all be your eye. It cannot be identified by your eye.
Excuse me.
Wow. This one. She's like, you want to film your eye? I want to take a picture of her eye. It's so pretty.
I took a picture of my eyes the other day. What? Well, it was actually just one eye.
Isn't it up on Demon
No,
Art or
no,
Facebook?
because I go on Soda Head, and someone was like, "What are the colors of your eyes?" And I was like, "Picture of eyeball."
Nick is by the way filming us all.
Creeper! Because I was like, they're dark green or on the outside, they're like grayish.
Camera?
Hey, you got a spider on your neck.
And children. Oh, that
Spider on
one.
your neck.
No, you don't. You love children. That's his hair, man. You're going to have lots of little babies.
What?
Cute little
Yeah, that's
babies.
gonna give me a very like appealing image.
What just happened here?
I caught myself.
Other than him getting juice all over himself.
Chemicals.
We're going to have yummy talks now. Yummy talks. Yummy talks.
In a couple hours.
No, what did you say?
You said that I was breathing in your toxins.
No, not the toxin sake. We're talking about your little children. I was like, you're going to have lots of little babies.
I said ew.
And then you said they were going to be Ian's.
No, he said that wasn't pretty good. And I said, well, they're not going to be yours, so.
And then he got juice all over himself.
Because that's what happened.
You're so bad.
No, I said that's what happens when I, talk about me.
Start smelling things.
I just came to a conclusion.
That Joanne is a creepy person.
You guys just take
Mom
everything.
will never die so long as people listen to them.
People say all the time when I say things, they read into it. I'm like,
God
no,
will never
don't do
die
that.
so
I'm
long
a face
as
value
people
person.
listen
I say what I mean.
And I said what I meant.
I don't throw in cannabis.
I gotta be talking so they're not. What? Yep. No, I'm not okay.
And now they.
It's like all or nothing.
What?
What?
What about
Just that it's a Wesley. Like, it fits in your head, not mine. That's a men's. It's like men's.
It's not like it's very.
We're manly men.
Get in tights. Yes.
Man.
Yes.
That doesn't help my case.
No, you knew what I was talking about though.
I don't know how
I finally saw Robin Hood.
chemicals in
Man in
there.
tights.
Can you tell
I
us
guess
this
I'm gonna
already?
cut this off.
Manly men.
Well, you knew. But yeah. Well, you told us this in my party.
The end is the best part of the whole movie, just because of that.
Call the locksmith. Call the locksmith. Call the locksmith.
Yeah, I like the whole movie verse.
My mind is so.
It's like, and he starts fighting and stuff. No, he's like, dead pig.
Now I want to sleep.
Is pig for
My name is
king
Ignacio. You killed my
forbidden.
father. Prepare
If
to
it wasn't
die.
like you're swimming in air.
That's not from that movie. I just felt like saying that.
If it wasn't like you were swimming in
Wait,
air.
is it? No,
These
that's
plastic cups are
that's
really
Princess Bride.
swimming in water in air.
I have it on VHS.
Humidity.
Come to my house and watch it.
Yes, it is. I want me to get my phone and tell you what the humidity is.
I don't think.
But no, it's great. The whole entire movie, the one guy, he's just like, my name is Enigma Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
still don't feel it.
My name is Ingo Mandaya. You killed my father. Prepare to die. I saw that.
all I can say is
What?